Imagine waking up to a world where the sun just turned off. No warning, no explosion, just darkness. The cosmic light switch flipped. Here's the strange part. Nothing would happen. At least, not right away. Even if the sun turned off instantly, Earth wouldn't know for a while. That's because light from the sun takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. So for over 8 minutes, we'd still see daylight, still feel warm, blissfully unaware that our star was already dead. Seconds pass, but the sun doesn't come back. The sky begins to fade. What was once a bright blue atmosphere is now turning black. Not because it's night, but because there's nothing left to light it. The stars appear in the middle of the day, and on Earth, silence. Power grids fail, satellites lose orientation, and humanity looks up, wondering what just happened. The sun is gone, and with it, the source of all life. Temperatures start to drop, slowly at first, but this is just the beginning. Within 24 hours, the surface of Earth will fall below freezing. The oceans will begin to ice over, and the food chain starts collapsing immediately. Photosynthesis stops everywhere. Animals begin to starve. First, the herbivores. With no plants left to eat, they collapse in days. Then the predators follow. The forests go quiet, the oceans even quieter. Coral reefs bleach and die without sunlight. Plankton disappear, and with them 70% of Earth's oxygen production. The air becomes thinner and harder to breathe. We're losing more than just light. We're losing the planet's ability to live. At first, we try to adapt. Governments urge calm, cities ration electricity, emergency bunkers come online. But without sunlight, everything changes. Solar power fails, farms go dark, global supply chains collapse. People flee toward the equator, hoping for warmth, only to find it's freezing too. Within weeks, surface life becomes impossible. The temperature falls to minus 50 degrees Celsius. Winds howl across abandoned streets. Food runs out, and society begins to break. The planet has entered a permanent blackout, and humanity is not ready. Without the sun, the oceans begin to freeze, from the top down. A thin layer of ice forms across the surface, trapping what little warmth remains below. With each passing hour, the ice thickens. The water darkens. Beneath the surface, life slows. Then, it stops. The atmosphere begins to change. Without solar energy, circulation halts. Wind patterns collapse. The sky grows still. Clouds fall lower. Moisture freezes. The air becomes heavier. Eventually, the atmosphere begins to condense and rain down. Oxygen turns to frost. Nitrogen crystallizes. The air itself begins to snow. But not all of Earth dies at once. Beneath the ice, heat lingers. From deep underground, geothermal energy still pulses. Volcanoes vent warmth into the cold void. Hydrothermal vents bubble on the sea floor. And in rare pockets, life may survive. Days pass, weeks, months. The world grows quieter and colder. The last pockets of warmth gone. Every building, every body, every machine loses the battle against the cold. What little heat remains slowly vanishes into space. Earth lingers, a forgotten relic orbiting a lifeless star. Its skies are frozen, its oceans sealed shut. No signals, no movement. It's not just dead, it's forgotten. But not all life vanished. Deep beneath the frozen crust, heat still lingers. In volcanic chambers, hydrothermal vents still bubble, and in those rare places, life may endure. Maybe it's microscopic, maybe it's something more, but deep underground, in the dark, something stirs. Life, along with humanity, is resilient. The moment the sun turned off, people moved underground. Old mines, geothermal plants, mountain bunkers built for other ends became our last chance. There, we salvaged what energy remained, tunneled deeper, stockpiled food. Not everyone made it, but the few who did became the first generation of the dark. Up above, the world has settled into silence. The skies are empty. Oceans lie locked beneath miles of ice. Not a breeze, not a whisper. This isn't winter. It's a new kind of stillness, permanent and absolute. This thought experiment shows just how fragile and miraculous our world is. A burning star 150 million kilometers away makes life possible. Without it, we're just frozen rock, drifting. So the next time you see sunlight, feel its warmth, and know it's more than just light. It's life. And if you enjoyed this cosmic what if, subscribe for more journeys through space, time, and the unknown.